What's up, David Midlife Crisis? I'm over here at Hooters and Hot Rods in Sanford. Gonna see what they got over here. Usually it's a pretty good mix of cars, so we'll see how it goes. Cars and Coffee Central Florida was supposed to be this morning, but it got canceled due to rain, which it didn't rain, which kind of sucks because they could have had it this morning. But anyway, they're gonna do that next weekend. So check out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you. So yeah, this is just the parking lot outside, like over here in the mall, and like check out the ZR1. And if you look over there, there's actually a C8 and another C7. Looks like there's always a decent amount of cars here, always a good quality amount of cars. Anyway, so yeah, check out this C10, completely slammed airbag. Looks like it's supercharged or pro charged with an LS motor. I think it's sick. Here you got a Buick Grand National, turbocharged V6, always a cool car. Got a El Camino, SS Chevelle 396. A couple older cars here. Got our Hot Rod. Yeah, got a GT 500 over here, supercharged. Got a supercharged Fox body, another blue Fox body. Got a Corvette over here. Check it out over here. We got a older gen Z28 Camaro, carbureted. Check it out. Here's Henry's supercharged GTO, and then his daughter Haley's 240 SX. So they just got this car. It was actually at Tuners and Bay garage event. I didn't really feature it in my last YouTube video, but yeah, it's so sick. I check out the 392, another RT Challenger. There we got another 392 Challenger. Got a 300C, Chrysler 300C. Over here we got Hellcat Challenger. Some pretty decent Dodges out here. So got a Volkswagen Type 3 wagon. Got a Charger. Here's a Dodge Magnum RT. Looks like it's definitely supercharged. So here's another Hellcat, another Challenger RT, a shaker hood. See what else they got over here. So, got a sweet WS3 Firebird. Over here got another Fox body. Got an AE Corolla. Over here got a 392 Challenger. So got a sweet RCF Lexus Power Wagon. I have no idea what that is. So over here we got a Camaro, a newer SS Camaro. We got a Chevy SS. So it kind of looks like this guy Jeff. I know. I'm wondering if it's his car. Got a C6 Corvette, another Camaro over here, another Hellcat Challenger, another Corvette, 5-liter Mustang, SS Camaro, type. We got an SS Camaro over here, Challenger RT, looks like a C5 Corvette. All right, check it out. It's like either 68 or 69 Camaro SS. That's a really cool car. So over here we got Austin's Corvette, Mountain Dew wrap on it. So here we got a Ford GT350. So here's Ashton's Rivero. So just saw this car last weekend at Detail Garage. So check out the sick ass drag car. Look Look at the slicks on the back of that. Big tire car. Look at the interior. I think it's sick. So I don't know if you hear me with the music, but check out the lifted vehicles. They got 2 lifted Jeeps and a lifted Bronco over here. Gigantic vehicles. Look at the suspensions on them. Cool. Really cool. Check that out. And if you look over here, they have Nova, 57 Bel Air. Not sure what kind of Chevelle that is, or Malibu. Another El Camino, Plymouth Roadrunner. Over here we got a Corvette. We got a Hemi Charger RT. Check out the Camaro coming by. Color's sick. Yeah, check out. There goes the Fox Body Mustang. Check out this car. This looks like the car from, what's that movie? Christine. Except for it's black. Same. Oh, here we got a Hearst. So like I said, there's some, check out this Acura NSX with the BBS wheels. This thing is cool. Supercharged. You can see the supercharger on the top of the side mounted V6. Also, check out this Oldsmobile over here. And see this till just now. He should be in the show. He should have pulled that thing into the show. So I would have pulled my car into the show, but it's really dirty. I didn't feel like pulling it in. Watch them lower this real quick. You know, lay this thing out, air this thing out. Oh, good. Sheesh. Check it out, and look at these people taking pictures of the car. You got this Nova pulling out the thing. Sounds good. So that's pretty much going to be it for the video. This is always, like I said, a great show. Always a lot of different cars. If you liked the video, please like, please subscribe, leave a comment.